I want to talk about after the Bail Project, law school. I'm assuming that there's a story involved in here that involves like, hey, I saw so much in the Bail Project, and I saw how the legal system was killing us, and I said, I need to be involved. I need to be a catalyst for change. And I'm. It sounds like I'm making fun of you. I swear I'm not.
No, that's a common story.
So, is that anywhere near your story where you saw the problems and you wanted to be the part of the solution, or is it completely different? Am I completely off?
No, for sure. So my career paths have uh, winded and led me down different directions. And so I did see the power of the license, right? When you're an attorney, it makes a difference. You can go see your client in the middle of the night. You can speak for them on their behalf. You can make decisions. You can be let in the room that you wouldn't necessarily be let in to have a voice. And so the license matters, the bar roll number matters. But in terms of, do I think that I'm going to like change the system from the inside out? No. I think that that change has to come from the political will of the people. But what I can do is be a agitator. I can be a catalyst in the sort of least tropey way possible, but in a very intentional way in which the unique intersection of my life experiences, my skills, my network, my passion can allow me to catalyze others and be an advocate for those others. And so, like I said, the license matters, but I think the intention behind it was always to use it as a lever in an overall, my overall political and social movement towards how do I leave this place better than I found it. So for me, I think the law is a tool that, especially the American legal system, it's a it is a unique beast in that we give so much weight to law and order, but the realities of the situation and the realities of life, we cannot just rest our laurels in the law and expect order. And so it takes the actualization, it takes the people questioning, um, it takes these cases that challenge the status quo to make that reality of equal justice a reality. So I see it as a tool. Specifically, I see it as a tool to redistribute wealth. I think when folks don't want to hand over those reparations, that you find a way to mandate them to do so through the legal system. And there's been varied successes in sort of the legislative options of getting reparations and what that means. But I think there are ways through, unfortunately, wrongful death suits, unfortunately through civil rights suits, in which we sort of have been piecemealing um, that. But Jackson, Mississippi, Flint, Michigan, folks and communities that have suffered severe injustices and need someone to come in and mandate that the municipalities redistribute the wealth and fix the pipes or compensate victims for the lead in the water or the Tylenol that has caused ADHD or the um, hair perms that have caused uterine cancer. Like these are real suits now, and folks are really getting real money because of the rampant sort of disregard for people and human life. So I see it as a tool. I see it as a redistributive tool, and I hope that I can just do my little part.